Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing on the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing on the topic that is Sunil R. Nair basically is not getting job, and the set of groups are telling that basically we will do this, that, basically each and everything. Basically. So one of the person told that this basically is connecting to what basically. Then one of the person told that this is connecting to the India account, that is where you are staying basically. So another person told the India account is creating problem to you because India account is supposed to allocate money in your account, but they are not allocating. They are basically giving problem to you. And if anybody ask India group basically, then basically they say that basically you are into software industry, and we are basically not handling the software side basically. The USA is handling software. And if we ask USA, then basically USA will say that basically we have given control to the Indian businessmen, they are handling it. And if you go if you contact to businessman basically, that the businessman's, for example, Eclairx, but in real basically he is not the owner. If you contact him and also basically then also basically it's worth basically. Why? Because real he is not the owner basically. So one of the person told that that is the problem basically. That's why you are not getting the job basically. So owners group basically are creating problem to you, and they that basically government basically do. And India account basically is creating the problem. So one of the person told that India account means what actually India account contains. One of the person told that what actually contains India account. It contains tax amount, it contains GST, it contains CST, then basically it contains in simple language basically India account income is tax. In tax basically there is only one income of India, that is tax. India account have only one income, that is tax, and there are many formats of tax. Company pay tax, government sectors pay tax, big companies pay tax, big firms basically pay tax. The person who are earning more than 8 lakh basically, currently I think it's a 8 lakh slab, they are basically earning more than 8 lakh, then basically they have to pay the tax. So tax is the income basically. 18% GST they are getting. So that is the income of the India account basically. And that income is very huge basically. And India account is telling that basically we basically can't give you the money. That is the problem basically. One of the person basically, the senior advisor basically told that that is the problem. Then one of the person told that then basically you are supposed to leave India long before basically. If they are telling that basically we can't give the money, then you are supposed to leave India long before. Then one of the person told that Indian cricket team basically was not winning the World Cup now basically. So they basically told that basically we will do some permanent solution. So they, for example, assume that basically one person due to few people basically India was not winning the World Cup. They literally killed that people basically, and they told that basically now we are going to win permanent match basically. But by killing actually what happened? Do you know basically Indian cricket team basically ended. In future basically this is going to happen. Indian cricket team only ended by killing those people. This is connecting to that story basically. मुर्गी एंड सोने की अंडा देने वाली मुर्गी. One person told that basically I am getting gold egg basically. Why basically I can't kill the murgi basically and take everything basically. But here basically murgi also ended and then the sona India egg dene wala jo murgi hai, that also ended basically. They actually killed that people only basically who are actually giving them the money basically. Just for one World Cup basically they killed themselves basically. The sports, entire sports basically ended from India basically. That's why basically one of the person told that each and every sectors basically they are killing themselves basically. Each and every sectors are killing themselves. In this basically the Bollywood group basically were taken main role basically by killing that group basically. By killing the sports basically they told that basically we basically cleared our percentage basically, because sports group were getting the more percentage basically from the business basically, so we killed them basically. So you can just imagine basically how the things are basically ongoing basically. So one of the here basically that is what is the question here. The question is Sunil R. Nair basically is not getting the job. So one of the person told that Sunil, you have applied to Bangalore city. Then Sunil told that yes, basically I have applied to Bangalore city. That is I will write here basically. Polar is there, eClearX, Capgemini, Accenture, Patni, Oracle, Microsoft, Dell, HP, Compaq, then 3i Infotech, Emphasis, then TCS, Infosys. These all are the companies basically where basically Sunil R. Nair basically has given the resume. When basically Sunil R. Nair has visited the Bangalore city. So they told that basically we don't have job for you basically. Then basically Sunil R. Nair thought that yeah, why basically they have not given the job. Then basically the calculation was when Sunil R. Nair visited Bangalore city, at that time basically the BJP was ruling in the central basically. And in Bangalore also BJP was ruling. So few people told that basically BJP has not given you money basically from the tax amount basically. So each and every people who gets the money basically that they gets from tax only basically. So tax is the main amount basically. In tax basically we have segregated many tax basically. And currently I am not earning the money, so I am not basically paying the tax. So in India account basically I am not contributing, so you can do anything basically. So one of the person told that where is basically this India account basically. There might be some place basically where the India account basically might be stored. One person told that in security basically, for example, India account basically is having around, assume that basically 15 lakh crore dollar basically India account have basically. So from 15 lakh dollar basically they have to run the India country plus Indian nationality basically who are across the world basically. So within India account only basically everything basically handles. So one of the person told that tax is the only income basically of India, that is the government. Indian Railway Department is there. If they are not paying the money to the few certain group basically, then the Indian Railway comes into the trouble. So that type of thing is also there basically. For example, I am basically not getting job. Why basically I am not getting job? One of the person told that why basically I am not getting the job. Then one of the person told that तूने ना इंडिया का बहुत बुराई किया है. Then basically thought that then India is supposed to tell that basically you get out from India basically. That also they are not telling. That means one of the person told that they India basically want to kill you basically. Then kill basically. Then see basically what are the things going to happen. One of the satellite person told that we are ready basically. And due to India land basically, world will basically come into the trouble basically. One of the satellite person told that also basically. One of the government told that basically इसको मार ही देते, we will kill Sunil Arnair basically because he is creating lots of problem. Some we will kill Sunil Arnair basically because government are government basically. They have killed lots of people also basically. That 1983 World Cup see basically 1 crore family basically are killed. In 2011 तो अभी just they have just won the match basically. So one of the person told that India account. In India account, all God comes basically. And India is a country basically who say that basically they believe in God. There is no other country basically in this world basically they said. Why basically Dubai is believing in God? Why? Because Indian nationality is there basically. That's why. Bangladesh. Why Bangladesh is believing in God basically? Because their Indian nationality are there basically. Why America is believing in God basically? Because their Indian nationality are there. Why Europe believe in God? Because in Europe Indian nationality are there. South Africa Indian nationality are there basically. Zimbabwe Indian nationality are there. West Indies Indian nationality are there. Switzerland Indian nationality are there. Switzerland Indian nationality are there. So one of the person told that wherever Indian nationality exists, their God basically exists. Then one of the person told that what is actually God? Then one of the person from universe actually told that basically who actually created the Earth planet. He told that basically God equal to number of planets basically. They have created from their energy basically. That is God basically. And God is equal to energy basically. Energy power basically. Set of planets basically. Which God have how much planet energy. For example, Hindu. Hindu is one caste basically. Indian nationality, religion. So like this lots of things basically are divided basically. Lots of things are divided. But ultimately all God are one basically. So one of the person told that in Bangalore basically you have given biodata to Polaris, Clorox, Capgemini, Accenture, Patni, Oracle, Microsoft, Dell, HP, Compaq, 3i Infotech, Emphasis, TCS and Infosys. Nobody basically has given you job basically. Why? Because they are telling that basically in India account basically, in tax basically, then nobody has allocated money to you basically. That means they are telling that basically to you die basically. You die, that is okay basically. That actually India account basically told that, as basically the sitting in the Parliament House, sitting in the Supreme Court House, sitting at the Gandhinagar, that is basically the Parliament Sansad Bhavan basically. That is actually not the Rajya Bhavan basically. So you are in Gujarat, so Gandhinagar is telling that basically you die basically, because there is no money allocated for you basically. That is the Chief Minister Bhupender Patel is telling that you die. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi is telling that you die, Sunil. So these two groups are basically telling that you die. Then one of the satellite person told that basically where these people are basically sitting. Can you please tell basically, Sunil? Then Sunil Arna told that basically these groups are basically sitting in, one person basically, that is Chief Minister, is sitting in Gandhinagar, that is in Ahmedabad, that is in Gujarat, and one person basically, that is Prime Minister, he is sitting in India, that is in Delhi. So both address basically was taken by the satellite group basically, and let's see basically what they do to these two people basically. Group basically, not people basically, because one person basically can't do anything basically. So these two group basically. Why basically Gandhinagar I told? Because my current location is in Gujarat basically, that's why. If I would be in Bangalore, then basically it would be Karnataka basically. If I would be in Delhi, then it would be the Delhi basically. So one of the person told that these groups are actually not allocating the money. So one of the person told that the chief minister responsibility connect to up to single person level basically. So for that basically the banks told that basically the government is not supposed to take too much of burden basically, so they creates products basically. The banks creates products. So one of the person told that bank, any of the bank has not created product for you basically. One of the person told that also basically. One of the person told that also basically, there is no basically bank who created, you don't have any account in bank, or basically you have not invested money in somewhere basically. Sometime basically you might have account na, basically in some bank basically. That time basically you have contributed. That time basically they forget basically. Then this all basically, this is the conference basically on my conference basically. Why basically Sunila Nair is not getting the job. So one of the person told that one of the person told that one of the person told that India account basically has not allocated the money. India account, and India account only have one income, that is tax, and it's a huge income basically. It's not basically normal income basically, it's a huge income basically. And they pay they get tax on the base of investment which is done by the businessman, and investment of done by the businessmen are India country, out of India country basically. Within India country businessmen are there, outside India basically businessmen are there. So these two group basically do the investment on the base of investment, and investment basically how they do creation basically of the city. For example, one person told that we have to create the city here, so who will do the investment basically? For that basically the bank products are there basically, who say that basically we have created this bank, and this product are basically going to use for creating this city basically. So one of the person told that each city basically are connected with few banks basically. For example, Vadodara city, I am in Vadodara city. So Vadodara city, when it is getting created or basically created, that time basically banks has given the money to Vadodara city, and on the base of that only the entire Vadodara city has created basically. So one of the person told that the income basically of each and every single person basically is connected with the India account, and India account is there basically. It's physically exists basically, and that is handled by few people basically, and that connects to single person basically, and there basically single each and every single person's account basically information are there basically. So one of the person told that if you are not getting job, no, basically it is connecting to up to that level basically. It is connecting up to that level basically. So one of the person told that if you finish entire India and recreate India, then basically one of the person give an idea actually, because they are not giving the money. So they told that basically if you finish the entire India and recreate India, then basically one of the person told that what will happen basically. Then he told that if world basically has taken India blood cells as a permanent blood cells, then the people who has taken the India blood cells data, for example human needs potato, tomato, they all will die basically. So another person told that the country who creates the blood cells, na, basically they don't decide that their country basically blood cells will be permanent across the world. For example, Dubai group basically UAE group has taken the India blood cells in their land. Apple basically, or apple or basically potato we take basically. So they have taken potato. They decides that which blood group basically has to taken as a permanent blood cells of India blood cells. And they have to take permanent blood cells in few data basically, because this is a rule of universe basically. And on the base of that permanent blood cells which has taken, the chain gets connects. Chain gets connects. So like this basically the communication chain gets connects. And communication chain basically we have already discussed that when world will end, the first thing basically which is going to end, that is the communication, and that is the hackers group basically, who are communicating the whole world basically. For example, I am having Dell laptop, or basically I am having HP or whatever compact, whatever laptop basically I am having, or basically computer basically I am having, that is connecting to some group basically, that is connecting to some hackers basically. They basically controls your body parts also basically. That is also very dangerous. That is very dangerous thing basically. So that is basically different thing basically, but that connects to the job also basically. That also connects to the job basically. So one of the person told that India account basically have one income, that is tax income, and that is a huge income basically, in this world, in this India basically. I will take only India account and Indian population only. There are more than 180 crore population, right? From 180 crore population, the company basically, the people who are working in company basically and working other than companies, they are basically earning the good amount. Within company basically I think within company basically I think at least 50-60 crore people basically might be earning more than 8 lakh rupees per month, sorry, per annum, because 8 lakh is the boundary basically. Within 8 lakh if you are earning the money, there is no tax amount you have to pay. That is the boundary basically. Within 8 lakh rupees basically if you are earning, then you don't have to pay the tax. If you are earning more than it, so it's a huge income basically. It's more than basically, you can say India from company tax only basically they might be earning more than 25 to 35 lakh crore basically. Then one of the person told that, bhai, you are thinking like that basically, and other than income basically, that also basically has add as 30 lakh crore. Then one of the person told that you are thinking like, but is it like that income is only there? Just see the expense basically. Why basically India is safe basically? One of the person told that also basically. Why in India basically there is no getting disease? There is why the bomb blast is not happening? Why the earthquakes are not happening? Why the tsunami is not happening? Why Bangalore basically is having good water supply? Why basically the Kerala basically is having good climate? Why the Vadodara city is not having earthquakes? Why Gujarat is not having earthquakes? Because they are paying the money basically to some department basically, other than government department basically. The government are paying the money. So one of the person told that income is there basically, but see the expense also basically. One of the person told that Vadodara city basically is safe life basically having there. All people are working in home, working at offices. They are doing safe work basically. Nothing basically is happening. Why? Because their companies are paying to the government basically, and government is paying money to the other side basically. That's why the Vadodara is not having earthquakes. Then one of the person told that Indonesia always have tsunami basically, always have lava blast. Why? Because their government basically are not paying the money to the other side basically. Then one of the person told that, then what the public basically don't know this everything basically. Then they told that basically they believe in peace basically. They will die basically, but they will be stay as a peace life. Indonesia group basically. Because in Indonesia always basically earthquake happens. One of the person told that Singapore basically. In Singapore basically, never basically earthquake has happened in this life basically. Why? Because their people basically are paying perfect money. They are having the perfect companies. The companies are paying perfect money to the government. Government are perfectly paying money to the other side basically. That's why basically in Singapore, till now basically there is no single earthquake basically has happened in Singapore. Have you ever seen that in Dubai basically earthquake has happened? No. Why? Because they are paying money to the other side basically. So that due to that basically they are basically very safe. In India basically, see Delhi basically, have you ever seen the earthquake basically in Delhi? Why? Because government is paying the money to the other side, and government is getting money from the companies, and the employees basically they are earning more than 8 lakh rupees basically, sitting in company and basically working from home basically. Have you ever seen basically? Why? Because Indian government basically are sitting at the Delhi na basically. They are paying the money to the other side. That is India account. So one of the person told that, yeah, basically, I thought basically earthquake are basically the natural disaster. I actually thought this basically, but you basically changed the entire concept only basically. That means government is paying money, due to that the earthquake is not happening. One of the person told that, yes basically. Then basically Sunil Arnaya told that, yes, it's like that basically. India is paying the money to other side. That's why the earthquake is not happening basically. Then one of the person told that, which is the safest country? Then one of the person told that it's a Singapore basically, because their people are very professional basically. They have USA, they have Europe, all mostly basically India has also invested there basically. The Reliance Group, the Tata Group basically, the Adani Group basically, they have invested big amount there basically, and they are basically getting good amount also basically from Singapore. Due to that basically they are paying money to the Singaporean government basically, and Singaporean government are paying money to the other group basically, and they are telling that basically, yeah, we have got the money, you are safe. So one of the person told that, ये मतलब क्या है, what is this actually? Then one of the person told that it's a tax basically. In Hindi basically it is called hafta, vasuli. So one of the person told that, You basically, anybody is harassing you, then Sunil Narnair told them, no re baba, who will harass me basically, because I am not having the job only basically, then basically why they harass me basically. Then one of the person told that, that means if you are not having the income, that means this group basically want to kill you basically. That is Indian Prime Minister and Gujarat Chief Minister. They want to kill you. That only basically one of the universe person basically told, and he has taken the address also basically. Where is that? Where is these two people basically? Currently basically, where are these two people? They have taken the address basically. Let's basically see basically why they are not giving the money. Not these two basically, these two group basically, because these two basically one person basically can't do anything. No basically. And one of the person told the India account is actually what basically. One of the person told the India account is actually है क्या India account? Because it's connecting to the each and every single person basically, each and every single person, and that connects to the banks basically. And who basically is not having the bank account, that is basically different thing basically, because their income is up to that level that basically they basically can't have the account only basically, right? Because there is no income basically. Then very basically why they require the bank account. So in India account, tax is the one amount basically. Sorry, tax is one description basically, you can say. On the base of tax basically, the entire India is running, and that also safely basically, because earthquake is happening in India. No, why? Because India is paying the money basically. In Singapore, have you ever seen basically the earthquake has happened basically? No, why? Because it's a safe world, safe country basically, because they are paying money to the government basically, and government are paying money to the other side basically. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically it's a very huge thing basically, just now basically you told. But that basically people might be knowing only basically. That's why basically you are not getting the money, no basically. If you are not getting the money, that means some group basically know that basically. Like that, like this basically we can stop the income of Sunil Narnair basically. That means some group basically is knowing this everything basically. That through this basically we can stop Sunil Narnair's income basically. And they have stopped also India account from. And India account basically is connected with the Supreme Courts, High Courts, because everything is legally. That's why. One of the person told that your mobile number is working. No, yeah, basically something basically happened. My mobile number is not working. Why? Because something basically has done by group basically. They have blocked your mobile number. And they are basically watching each and every number also. Which number is calling, which number is not calling, which number is doing the SMS. That type of thing is also there. So one of the person told the India account is very dangerous account. One of the person told that you told basically more than 80 lakh crore basically your India account is having the income. But see the other side also here basically. Why basically in India basically tsunami is not happening? Why basically in India, why basically Mumbai tsunami is not happening? Because Mumbai is the most nearest city basically, near the sea basically. Why basically there has never happened tsunami? Why? Because Mumbai city is paying the perfect amount basically. Their Reliance Group, Adani and the TCS people, like big people basically are staying there basically. And their groups are basically paying the good amount to the government basically. And due to that basically government is telling that basically no, they are paying the amount. So don't do anything to the Mumbai city basically. And Mumbai public are basically paying the amount to the businessmen basically. So that's why the Mumbai city is the most safest place basically. One of the person told that also. Why? Because their tsunami, have you ever seen basically their tsunami has happened? Never basically. Why? Have you ever seen that basically Mumbai basically the earthquake has happened? No. Why? Because they are paying the money basically. In Maharashtra basically happens. In Maharashtra few city basically earthquake happens basically. But in Mumbai city basically never earthquake has happened. Why? Because they are paying the money to the central government. That also perfectly money. That is called as a hafta vasuli. So due to this basically the Mumbai is the most safest place basically. Mumbai is the most safest place basically. Mumbai is the most safest place basically. So one of the person told that India account is the most dangerous account. Through this account basically lots of things basically happens. And India only have one income basically, that is tax. One of the person told that if India account is not allocating you the money, then basically they are supposed to tell you basically get out, but they are not telling that also basically get out. Few people told that basically because they know that basically they can't pay the money, so they told get out. So the people should be like this basically, tell basically literally get out. And India is basically that type of country basically, they will not say get out, they will basically kill the person basically, because their thinking is like that basically. They will say that basically if this person basically we have not given him money, and if he will get out from India, then basically it might create problem to India basically in future, because he will track now basically why India has not given the money, and in future basically might create problem to India. So that India account basically group basically think up to this level basically. So they are telling that basically we will kill Sunil Alnar, that is Chief Minister of Gujarat and India Prime Minister. They are sitting in Delhi and one is sitting in Gujarat. So they told that basically kill Sunil Alnar basically, because we can't basically give money to him basically. That's why basically the money income basically I am not getting. That means they have only told basically. So one of the person told that the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, they know that basically India account is there. That also is the question basically. Then one of the person told that that's why basically they are the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, na, basically. They are sitting at the biggest post basically. And they have the detailed account of, when they have the detailed account information basically of the India account. If Chief Minister is visiting Vadodara, that means he is connected with the Vadodara account. He has seen something basically in Vadodara account, so that's why basically he has came to Vadodara. If he will visit Surat, then basically he has seen something in Surat account. If he has seen something in Ahmedabad, then basically he has seen something. He is going to Ahmedabad, then basically he has seen something basically in Ahmedabad account. Then one of the person told that they might be knowing the India account is there basically. 100% basically. That's why basically they are sitting at the big level post basically. That's why they are sitting at the big level post, na, basically. Otherwise basically why they are sitting at big level post? That also people says that basically whenever the Prime Minister Narendra Modi comes in the Vadodara city, the entire Vadodara city basically comes at the road basically. Because the public know that basically he is aware about the India account. He is a good person basically, he is a good knowledgeable person basically. He know that basically if we don't want earthquake in Delhi, then basically we have to pay money to this level, to this account. Because they are not giving the money to the suitcase and basically they are telling that le paisa le, earthquake mat dena. It's not like that basically. They are not doing like that basically. That take this money in the suitcase and basically don't give earthquake in Delhi basically. They are not doing like that basically. One of the person told that India account is paying money to certain sectors also basically. That income expense is also there basically. The IT sector is working like that basically. They are paying the money. Tax box equal to 1,000 cities. Tax box equal to 1,000 cities. So one of the person told that 80 lakh 90 lakh crore is the 80 lakh 90 lakh crore income is there basically, but expenses are also basically there. It's not like that basically. So one of the person told that who are the chief minister, who are the prime minister, they are basically aware about this basically. From that basically they can track basically which person basically is getting money and which person is not getting money. So that somebody has tracked and stopped the income of Sunil R. Nair basically. So see basically up to what level the things are connected basically. The people basically who have the good knowledge basically, they use their knowledge up to this level basically, that he is not supposed to get the money. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically if they use the knowledge basically in this basically that give income to Sunil R. Nair basically, so that basically Sunil R. Nair also basically pay the tax amount and he can also contribute to the India account basically. So one of the person told that India account basically is connected up to this level basically. Each and every temples are basically connected with India account. You will believe basically the Balaji temple income basically is how much basically. The Shirdi Sai Baba income is basically how much. The Haji Ali Dargah basically income is how much. Siddhi Vinayak temple basically income is how much. The Kedarnath temple basically income is how much. The Mumbra Devi temple basically income is how much. But if you visit Mumbai basically, and if you not visit Mumbra Devi basically, you will not get the stay to Mumbai basically. Stay means you will not get the house basically. That is the rule of Mumbai city basically. And each city have their rule basically. If you don't visit that area basically, then you will not get the house. So that is basically different rules and regulation basically of each and every city. That is also basically in the India account basically. So it's not like that basically the India account is not having the money basically, but they don't want to pay you. That basically somebody tracked that up to single level account basically. Somebody has tracked from Delhi and from Gujarat, and they are tracked this basically that he is getting the income basically from somewhere, and that tracked and they basically stopped the income of Sunil R. Nair. And due to this basically Sunil R. Nair basically stopped earning the income basically. So one of the person told that India account is connecting up to this dangerous level basically. That is the India account, and one income is there, that is tax basically. Each and every temples basically are private trustable caste people. For example, Shirdi Sai Baba, that is a Marathis basically temple, because it's in Maharashtrian land basically. So it's a private money basically of Maharashtrian people basically. They are paying the tax amount basically to the Indian government basically, so that they can have their peace life. Marathi groups. So to stay also basically it's very dangerous basically. Peacefully. So one of the person told that India account is connecting up to very dangerous level basically. India account is connecting up to very dangerously, and India account basically somebody has tracked your income and they are basically not paying the money to you basically. That is the main thing basically, which somebody has tracked and they are telling that basically we will not pay money to you. That's why basically you are not having the income basically. Otherwise basically you might be having the income basically. Previously when basically you was working in Mumbai basically, that time you was having the income basically. So India account basically, some government department basically, some government group basically has tracked you, and they basically has created this problem basically. So one of the person told that what is the way basically. One of the satellite group told that basically if you finish the entire India account then basically you will get the job. Then one of the other person told that basically there is no meaning basically because everything get end basically. Then what is the meaning basically? Then what is the meaning basically? By ending the entire India account. By ending the entire India account. So few people told that basically India account basically is connecting up to what level basically. Then they told that basically main income is the tax. That is only one income basically. That is tax is the only income basically. There is no other income in the India basically which says that basically we have income. For example, businessman basically. Businessman gives the entire money to the government. No basically. They give certain level of percentage amount basically. For example, in business, if you are doing the business, if you are earning more than this many 20 to 30 lakh rupees, then basically some percentage amount you have to give basically. GST amount is there, CST is there, tax amount is there. If you purchase any goods, then basically if you cross the boundary of the states, you have to pay the tax amount. So that amount basically goes into the India account basically. And that goes into the India account. It's not like that basically it doesn't go basically. It's not like that basically it doesn't go into the India account. It's not going to the other account basically. It's going to India account only basically. So for that basically peoples are there basically. Why basically they are moving in the red light car basically. And they have the authority basically to check the India account basically. Why this money is not coming in this account? Why it's going to that account basically? That also question basically might raise in future. So one of the person told that India account is the like this USA account is also there, UK account is also there. Each and every accounts basically are there basically in some bank basically. Which bank basically that we can't say basically. World Bank is not basically, that is 100% sure. World Bank basically is having some individual accounts. People say it's not like that basically. One person basically is an India account. It's not like that basically. For example, one person told that ये जो आदमी जा रहा है ना, he is a India account. It's not like that basically. He person basically is going, he is a USA account. That person which is going, that is a UAE account. That person basically which is going, that is a South Africa account. So it's not like that basically. Individual person basically can't have the account basically of country basically. That is different. He basically can have individual account. But India account is basically not named into some other, some person basically, some individual person basically. That he is a India account basically. It's not like that basically. It's a country account basically. So one of the person told that India account basically is the most dangerous account. Not only India account basically, each and every country account basically. So currently I'm in India, so that's why basically I'm talking about the India account. If I would be in Singapore, then basically I might be talking about Singapore account. An India account basically is, one of the person told that somebody has tracked your account and he has stopped your income basically. Somebody has tracked your account and somebody has stopped your income basically. So one of the person told that who might be that account? Illiterate person basically can't do that. Why? Illiterate person basically can't track the account. They have to see to the individual account basically. That this person Sunil R. Nair basically is getting income from where basically. This person basically Sunil R. Nair is getting income from where? And what basically expense he is doing basically. That only basically who can track basically. The banks group basically can track. Or basically the लोकल पीपल बेसिकली आर द बिजनेसमैन बेसिकली. 1% टोल्ड दैट बेसिकली भाई इसने मेरे दुकान से नहीं इतना का सामान खरीदा. So they basically can track up to that income only basically that he has spent 1,000 rupees in this shop basically. They basically can't go in detail basically that ये 1,000 rupees from where he got, from which bank basically he's got, and which bank basically he has in this bank basically how many amount is there. This that each and everything basically they can't track. Why? Because they don't have the authority basically. But if they are paying, if the particular person is paying 1,000 rupees to the to the shop basically, that means he is a customer of that particular shop basically. For example, I am paying 1,000 rupees, that means I am the customer of that particular shop basically. So in that his account basically 1,000 rupees has credited basically. So when his account basically is going to calculate, then 1,000 rupees will be the income basically. Same way basically India have one account, and India basically is having the tax amount. So one of the person told that this investment basically which is ongoing, that basically how it comes to tax basically. That is also question basically. Because only tax is the amount basically, on the base of tax the India account is ongoing basically. So India account and tax is the only income of India, and it's a huge income basically. It's not like that basically it's a small income, it's a big income basically. Then one of the person told that, for example, one businessman basically invested a few money in India basically. Indian businessman only basically. He invested around, I assume that basically 7 lakh, 8 lakh rupees he invested. So he basically don't have the rights to see the India account basically, because Indian government basically are not paying the amount to him. So he is told that basically, yeah, basically why India is not paying the money to back to me. So I should check the India account basically. So the government basically will say that basically, "Bhai, हमारे पास अभी पैसा, we don't have money basically. So we will pay some money to later on basically." So they will say that no, we want to see the India account basically. That type of authority basically the government, the businessman basically don't have. Then basically they told that basically, भाई हम लोग तो we are basically not paying the amount to you, and you basically are not seeing the income of my account basically. Then they told that that is also correct, but government is government basically. Then they told that basically government is the high authority person basically. They don't basically, they can basically do anything, but to them basically nobody can do anything. So the individual person basically can't see the India account. Individual person basically can't see the India account. So it's a huge income basically. The India account. India account means one of the percent of the India account means what actually are basically? India account means 3 to 4 lakh cities basically. 3 to 4 lakh cities. Each city basically have their accounts basically. It's not like that basically the city is not having the account. Each city basically is connected with the accounts basically. Each cities are connected with the accounts basically. So each city basically connected with the account, and each city basically creation is also there basically, and each city also creation happens. It's not like that basically city is one of the person told that the Ahmedabad city is a metropolitan city, sorry, smart city basically. They have given the name as a smart city, and their income has basically, if Ahmedabad city is basically is not having the income, sorry, not Ahmedabad basically, the central city basically has invested the money to the Ahmedabad city na basically, and there basically the major thing is IT sector basically, that is in Gandhinagar basically. where basically the Rajya Bhavan basically is there. Where basically all the political people sits. From there basically they takes the decision which person is supposed to get money and which person is not supposed to get the money. They decide basically. Nothing else basically they decides. From this only basically they do everything basically. By which person basically is supposed to get money, which person is not supposed to get money. That's all basically. They have done that task basically. They have done their task basically. So you can just imagine basically the dangerous thing basically is the accounts. And this connects to the software industry also basically. This connects to the software industry also because accounts is maintained by the softwares basically. And there are many softwares basically, software companies basically, who are into the creation basically. So one of the person told that if you are not getting the money basically, that means somebody has tracked your income basically. And they basically got connected to your income basically. And they told that basically we will not give you money basically. So one of the person told that who might be that person basically? From satellite, because satellite group basically don't understand money basically. They basically think that basically everything basically happens automatically basically. Everything basically happens automatically. So one of the satellite person told that basically who might have tracked this year basically, but you are getting income and you are basically getting income and basically somebody has dropped your income. Somebody basically might be having the knowledge of this everything, then only basically he has done basically. Otherwise basically he can do basically. No. So knowledgeable people only basically can do everything basically. Knowledgeable people only basically can do everything. So somebody knowledgeable person basically has tracked this, that basically Sunil R. Nair basically is having the income, and due to that income basically somebody stopped your income basically. So he reached up to the company's level basically and told that basically he is not supposed to get the money basically. So up to this, that means without knowledge basically he can do basically. Not possible basically. So he reached up to the company level and he told that basically he is not supposed to get the money basically. And that basically where it is decided, that is in Parliament House, that is in Delhi, and Delhi is controlled by, sorry, Gujarat, and Gujarat is controlled by central, that is Delhi. So Delhi has basically and Gujarat basically both become one and basically told that basically we will not give income to Sunil R. Nair. So one of the person told that up to what level basically these groups could go basically. That is the very thing basically. Because each and every Indian nationality basically that is connected to the India account only basically. Few people tells that basically हम है ना अमेरिका में मतलब हम we will transfer this particular person's account from India to America account basically. Then they told that basically how basically they can do here basically. That is not possible basically. Then he told that basically we will kill that person basically, na? And we will say that basically he is killed. And for example in America basically. In America basically, the American people told that basically yeah basically he is having an account in India and also and he is having an account in America also basically. So how it's very difficult to handle basically. So they told that basically we will kill that particular person basically. But in front of the world basically, in front of India basically he is killed. And transferred his account to America account basically. Now there is only one account, that is the American account. That type of thing also basically accounts group think basically, whether it is correct basically that I don't know. So one of the person told that India is not paying the amount to you. So that is India's account problem basically. They are not paying the amount. They are not paying the amount to you. So one of the person told that here basically the economist groups are connected, basically economist basically who are basically the economist demand and supply thing basically. Then they told that basically it might possible basically demand of account, demand of not account, non-demand, demand supply chain. This everything is connected basically. One of the person told that also basically. So it might be connected also. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the India account.